Buenas, pedido de hielo para la señorita Frozen.
Sí, quisiera hacer una reserva para Lionel Messi. ¿Aló? Hola.
En Perú están registrados 8 personas que se llaman Frankenstein.
292 peruanos se llaman Gohan.
¿Cómo les van a poner Netflix? No, es que me van a ver,
This may seem funny, but for many Peruvians, their name can be a cause for harassment and bullying. Our names are the first sign of our identity. They are so important that they can influence our personality. Bolivar Baby and Kids, the brand that specializes in baby clothes care, presents Sound Names. For the first time, the baby's name will be the baby's choice. From week 29 onwards, once the fetus has developed hearing, it will be able to recognize sounds and react to the ones it likes the most. Music production software has a tool called Piano Roll, which provides a unique visual representation of a melody's musical notes. So we chose notes that form letters, and that's how we created unique melodies for each name, so that any mom can use them. We created a playlist with all the names and uploaded it to Spotify and YouTube. During the first month, we got over 200,000 streams, and we helped many babies choose their own names. After all, if we're already caring for them since day one, why not care for them from before?